Cottage cheese is made in this new state-of-the-art facility. The process begins by filling these vats with fat-free skim milk. Next, special cottage cheese cultures are added and slowly stirred in. The cultures cause the milk to thicken and form cottage cheese curds. This culturing process takes about 4.5 to 5 hours before the curds form. Once finished, the cheesemaker tests the curd to make sure it has proper texture and strength. This requires science and skill to determine exactly when the cheese should be cut. Once ready, knives made of stainless steel wire attached to a stainless steel frame cut the cheese. Now the cheese sits for 30 minutes, or what is known as the healing process. Next, the curd and whey is cooked, starting slowly at first to prevent the curds from breaking, and then more rapidly for 2 hours. Cooking makes the curds firm. Once complete, the whey is removed and the curd is rinsed several times. On the final rinse, it's pumped into the drainer creamer tanks. This is where the water is drained from the curd, and the dressing made of milk, cream, and salt is slowly mixed in. Unlike other cottage cheeses, AE's is all natural, using the same old-fashioned recipe for over 40 years. Now it's off to the cottage cheese packaging room, where the product is put into the appropriate container. Yogurt is made nearby. Over 35 different flavors of yogurt to be exact. On any given day, AE will make between 10 and 20 flavors. It starts in these vats. Either 1% low-fat milk or fat-free milk and an active culture are combined in these vats. Just like with the cottage cheese, a culture is added, except this is a different culture that causes the milk to thicken to become yogurt. Once the culture is added, 6.5 to 7 hours later, the milk becomes yogurt and the fruit is blended. AE uses fruit pieces, not puree, and uses 5 to 10% more fruit than other brands. This lengthy process and superior ingredients create the creamy texture that AE yogurts are known and loved for. From here, the yogurt is put into cartons and sealed with a double safety seal. It's your guarantee that it's fresh and sealed tight until you open it at home. Sour cream dips are made in much the same way. It begins with sour cream, which is made from milk and cream and a different culture that causes the milk and cream to thicken and become sour cream. AE makes 30,000 pounds of dip at one time. That's about 60,000 cartons. Each flavor has a unique special blend of spices, creating a thick and creamy dip that customers love to eat with their favorite veggies or chips. From here, the dip is put into cartons in the same way as yogurt and cottage cheese. You've just now seen how AE packages their cultured products. Yogurts, cottage cheeses, and dips are called this because they all have a special culture added to the milk.